Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Aidonia drops new music. Over the weekend, Aidonian Governor debuted Earthquake. The Chimney Records produced single is already number 22 trending on YouTube. Aidonia, who made a guest appearance at Protege's Lost in Time Festival, told E-Prime that there is more music to come.
Well, there's a lot, because they don't know, so for the past couple of years, they don't know the vibe and thing, We started the year with a song called Fate, then just dropped the collab yesterday, with me and Govy. Song called Earthquake, that are half of the whole, you see me, Brother's Keeper, that vibe there. So people soon see what go on there, so and then otherwise some that you don't know what do I think called occupied mind. Because right now we just use music for occupy our mind and occupy our time. Keep going through the day. So we have a thing called occupy mind, people them soon see what go on with that. And our next thing I drop Friday again too.
Now Yaxter 22 goes #1 on iTunes. The Ambition DJ released his album last week, and in the first week, it has soared on the charts. The album is also #4 on all genres. Yaxter spoke to E-Prime on the success of the album.
Currently #1 in Ghana, Accra, and I can't pronounce it and name them. The love feed on YouTube, the algorithm is actually pushing it. It's the love from the artists like Massacre, Popcorn, quite a few individuals, DeMarco, Keep Rich, a whole of the industry, I see the media houses and pushing the same way. Sparky B, Liquid, it's just overwhelming. And Wacky T movement, So yeah, it's a good vibe. Yes. It's like I put in the work and it actually shows the rewards them now,
Yaxter speaks about working with Usain Bolt in the capacity as a producer.
Usain reach out to me and say, alright, I don't want me double back in some of the past style, but make it more clean and commercial. And yeah, we linked up, me and him and MJ, and you don't know, just create a vibe. And I want to actually direct the vocals that they did, So big up MJ, because he must say, sing it the way, And that would be maybe, if it's not Marlon or Andrew Blacks or Kadim, normally I would have made us do all of them stuff there, but yeah, big up Usain Bolt, bad producer.
Now Yaxter 22 also sees the features with Reggae King, Chronic Law DeMarco, and Marlon Easy. Now to news overseas, as A-list actor Tom Cruise was the recipient of the David O. Selznick Achievement Award at the 34th Annual Producers Guild Awards at Beverly Hilton on Saturday night. He received the honorary award for producing on films since 1996, including Top Gun Maverick. During his acceptance speech, Cruise thanked the film industry and said he was indebted to mentors and collaborators like Sherry Lansing, Steven Spielberg, and Jerry Bruckheimer.
I wanted to understand what storytelling was to them, and you facilitated this brilliantly, feeding my passion, encouraging it. And I always thought that, if I could make movies, if I could be competent at this, and if the movies made their money back and then some, everyone would get their Christmas bonuses, and I'd be able to go out and I could make some more movies. And possibly, I'd create the opportunities for other filmmakers to do the same. So I'm indebted to a great number of industry legends.
Everything Everywhere All at Once took home this year's top prize for Theatrical Film Award. Other winners of the night included The Dropout, The Bear, and Encanto. The ceremony honors the achievements of producers across media. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.